Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to figure out which QuickBooks product you're using. If you're new to QuickBooks and have no idea whether you're using QuickBooks Online, QuickBooks Desktop, or something else, don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to check in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. First, you need to understand that there are two main versions of QuickBooks, QuickBooks Online and QuickBooks Desktop. QuickBooks Online runs in your web browser, while QuickBooks Desktop is software installed directly on your computer. Step 1. Check if you're using QuickBooks Online. Open your web browser like Chrome, Edge, or Safari. If you log in through a website and access your accounting from there, you are most likely using QuickBooks Online. The official website is intuit.com, and you sign in using your email and password. Once you're logged in, look at the web address bar. If you see something like qbo.intuit.com, that confirms you're using QuickBooks Online. Now, to find out which plan you have in QuickBooks Online, click on the Settings icon in the top right corner, then select Account and Settings. Under the Billing or Subscription section, you will see your current plan listed, such as Simple Start, Essentials, Plus, or Advanced. Step 2. Check if you're using QuickBooks Desktop. If you open a program directly from your computer, like from your desktop icon or Start menu, then you're likely using QuickBooks Desktop. Open the software. Once it's open, press the F2 key on your keyboard. This will open the Product Information window. Here, you'll see the exact product name, version year, and edition. For example, it might say QuickBooks Desktop Pro 2024, Premier, or Enterprise. You can also click on the Help menu at the top and select About QuickBooks. This will also show you the version and product details. And that's it. To quickly recap, if you access QuickBooks through a browser, you're using QuickBooks Online. If it's installed on your computer and you open it like regular software, you're using QuickBooks Desktop. And you can always confirm your exact version through the Settings or Product Information screen. I hope this guide helped you figure out exactly which QuickBooks product you have. If it did, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and beginner-friendly QuickBooks tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.